Hello friends. So today we will going to solve one of the interesting problem and it's string problem. So let's read the statement. So we have given one string that represents a palindrome, that's already a palindrome, and this also only contains digit, so no space, and our task is to return next possible palindrome using the same digit. And the return palindrome would be the next largest palindrome, and there may maybe multiple large palindrome. We just need to find the exact next one. And yeah, so let's take the example. So suppose we have this input string 1 2 double 3 2 1. So there will be multiple possible palindrome: 2 1 3 3 1 2 2 3 1 1 3 2 3 1 2 2 1 3, and so on. And then immediate next is this one, 1 3 2 2 3 1. So first few minutes we will going to discuss this, how we are going to uh, what will be the logic, how we are going to solve this, and then next few minutes we will be code this in Python. So okay, so we already know. So first thing, if you read about the statement, two things are highlighted. The string only contains digits, so no spaces, nothing. We need to format this. And the second constraint is the string is already a palindrome, so we know that the string is palindrome, and the string length can be thousands, so it will be like very large number. We can't do just like keep increasing and find that the palindrome is there or not, because the string length will be thousands, so it will be like very big number. So first thing, let's take number. So there will be two scenario: one, the string length is odd, string length is even, and one more edge cases will be like if the string length is one only. So in case if or even that like 9 so that non next possible number can't be arranged using the same, the in both scenario we have to return empty. So let's come to the initial example. So here if we think about that, it's already palindrome, so we will just split this, and if we rearrange the first half so that we can find immediate next, then the second half can also be rearranged to match this. So we are going to focus on only the left part, and in case of odd number like 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, we again will take only the first half. Will we remove the basically we will ignore the middle, and only will try to first so basically arrange first half so that it became the next largest, and we just do the mirror image of this part so that complete string will be formed. So in this scenario, 1 2 3, what will be the next? For 1 2 3 it will be 1 3 2 using the same digit. And how we came to this approach? So if we think about how we go, we started from right and we found the first element which is lesser so that we can replace. So suppose if it is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 2 4 3 2, if the left part is this, so what will be the next? So we know that it will be 1 2 what will be the next 2, then it will be 3 2 4. Yeah, we can't get 1 2 2, not 4, it will be lesser. So what we'll do, we'll start from the right side, we will find the first. So we know that these are in decreasing order, so this digit should be replaced. the third one, and out of this it will be 3 and then 2 to 4. This will be the next largest. So if we observe this, how we will know? So we already know that these are the in reverse order, so we can't rearrange this part to get higher number. We have to include this part. So the approach will be like a simple, we will traverse from right to left until we found the first decreasing occurrence. So in this scenario, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, but 2 is less than 4. So we found this number, and we will replace this with the we will again traverse this, the largest number we found from right. So we found 3 here, we just replace this 3. So intermediate step will be 1 2 3 and then 4 2 2. So we replaced this 2 with 3, and now after this we know that this there will be another number with these digit, so we just need to reverse this digit. So 1 2 3 2 2 4. This is how we got. Why we need to reverse it? Because we already came this, we know that it's already in ascending order, and if we switch that the lowest number and we replace one of the number with lowest, so it's already in descending order, we just need to reverse it to put this in ascending order. We know that ascending order will be lesser than descending. And let's take one more example, like 5 0 1 1 4 and then 1 1 0 5. Suppose this is the number, so we split this 5 0 1 1. So we start from right until we found the first decreasing. So 1 1 0, we found 1 this, so we replace it with the immediate next of 0 from right side. So both are 1, so we just replaced with 5 1 0 1. But even if 1 0, then we will reverse this. If we replace with the first one, then we will reverse this, and it will become 5 1 0 1 and then again 4, and similar we can arrange it, or even we can reverse the first half 1 0 1 5, and this will be our immediate next number. So let's start the coding. Find next palindrome. So it will take num_str. So first thing, if we'll check size is length of num_str, and first condition, if size is equal to 1, then we just return empty string, because we can't find next palindrome if there is only one digit. And then we have to split this part, so we take the left half is equal to, we need list because there will be easy to manipulate in list, and we form using num string from 0 to whatever the size divided by 2. This will be our left half, and we again need to find the immediate next of left half, and so we will create another function for this. If not, find permutation, and we will pass left half, and it will return true and false. So if if there is a left half, we can't find the next permutation, then it will return false, and if we can't find, then it will return again empty string. And if we found this, then again we check if size plus 2 is it to 1 0. If it is the odd, then we will return, there will be list because left half is list, then we will join left half plus and the reverse of left half. Else we will return join left half. We have to find the middle element, which will be middle element is equal to num string of half, or even the size divided by 2. So we will take left half plus this list model element, and then again reverse of left half. So there will be very good way to find the reverse in Python, just using indexing this. Now we also have to compare if the new string is greater than the previous one, then only it will be true. So let's say new num, we will store in new num, and then if we'll check if new num, again good part of Python is we can directly compare a string greater than a string, then return new num, else return empty string. Because so suppose even if method worked and it resulted the same string, then there is no point, it will be empty. Now we will implement this second method, which will be find permutation, and that will be take, let's say S. Now we have to compare. So suppose if this is 5101, we have to compare. We start from right, so we will find I is into length of S minus 2 while I greater than 0 and S of I greater than equal to S of I plus 1 I minus 1. So until so we start from minus 2, so minus 1 will be the last element, minus 2 will be the second, and we will compare with the next element. If it is greater than, we again go left side until we found the number whose next is smaller than current. That will be the immediate left, the first decreasing. And if we are not able to find, then return false. And if we found it, we will find its immediate next, then change to I while we start from this 2. So suppose we found immediate left and then we will go right to find its immediate next. So let me take another example like 1 2 6 5 to 8. Oops. 1 to 8 7 6 5 2. So for this part we started from right, it increasing. So we started from I0 to ARL size will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We start from I0 to 6. We compare I and I plus 1, which will be 6 and 7, and we will check if 6 is greater than 7, which is not. Then we will go increase this 5 and 6, 5 6 again. If 5 is greater than 6, true, again we will decrease 4 5, 4 5 also 3 true, 3 4 also true, but 1 2 will be, then I will be 1, and then from I again we will check from j to last to the number which is greater than this I. So j is length of s minus 1 from last, while s of j is less than equal to s of I, we will decrease j. We will find the first number which is greater than I. In this scenario it will be 5. Once we found this, we will replace si comma sj with sj comma si. Now in this scenario this will become 1 2 2 will be replaced with 5. So it will be 1 5, then 8 7 6 2 2. Now from 5, this we need to this second part after 5 we need to reverse this. So it will become 1 5 2 2 5 7 8. So now we will replace this s of, we can say, I, and after that equal to reversed. There is a method that will again take s of I and then return true. So let's see. So we have one editor that will use the same. I already have this code written, so just now I ran it, so I will just solve it again. We'll going through again. Find the size. If size 1, return empty. Half size is this, left half is this, and if again we call this function. If not, then return empty. If size is 2, we join the left half and reverse of left half. Else found the middle element. Next palindrome will be left half, middle element, and reverse of left half. If next palindrome is greater than the old string, the next palindrome, else empty. And this method define the next permutation again it start with I of length of s minus 2. While I greater than 0, it will compare its next element, reduce the I. If I is minus 1, means like there is no uh, number found which is less than in decreasing order in a string, then it will be false. Then again we start from right to the and found the first number which is greater than s of I. So while s of j is less than s of I, we will keep in decreasing until we found the first number which is greater than s of I. Then replace with si and sj, reverse the I plus 1 to I plus 1. So there will be 1 matter, we have to replace with I plus 1. Yeah, because we already have sorted till s of I. So let's see. Oops, looks like internet down. Let me check. It's 12:26. Just give me 1 minute. Thank God I'm not streaming. I need to recharge it. Where is this? My credit card details. Cool, the charge is done. Hope. It will come anytime. let's work and let's see again. Yep, and submitting this, all test cases passed. Thanks everyone.